Hi everyone, it's me again. Before you go, I just want to say thank you for following me, and thank you for supporting me all these years. So today I am gonna do an eye makeup. So let's see how we get on with that one. So I'm just gonna do natural looking eye look, so without being too much. So as you can see, I've already have my face a little bit done up and my lips as well. So I am just gonna put first of all, it is very hard um, to do makeup, most especially for the beginners, if you have eyelid the same as mine, which is hooded eyelid. So I already put the primer on my eye, but I'm gonna do, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do the and I'm just gonna blend it towards the inner, just give you that a little bit. So as you can see, my eye on that side is widen up, is bigger, so you can put darker color as you wanted, but I like brown, because brown it goes with everything. So yeah, and so when you put it on, you don't be afraid to stretch, so you give you that really nice finish as well. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do just a normal lighter brown. I'm just gonna put it right at the top of it, and so, and then you're just gonna blend it in towards the inner side. So if you are beginners for makeup, this is a way to do it. With just more practice, it will make you better. So as you can see, along my that side in comparison to the other side, it is a little bit wider than how it should be. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna blend it in with a lighter color just around that side, just to give you that little bit of so when you blend in, so when you have all different types of colors and eyeshadows, always, for me, always put lighter color on the inner side. In that way you can actually see the difference, most especially if you have hooded. I tend to not to put all black all the way in, mainly because like if I put that in, it makes my eyes looks a bit tired. So what I do is I will put lighter color around that side, around this side, just to brighten them up as well. And then in the middle I will put shimmery type. So, and you just keep blending them in. So, and the more you practice, the more you will be getting better as well. So as you can see along my eyes eyeshadow, the other side doesn't have any, but so I'm just gonna blend that in towards my nose, and then I'm just gonna blend that outwards as well. So what I'm gonna try to do now is I'm gonna try to do a little bit more of the brown just right there. So as you can see, my bones is around that side, so all I need to do is just put a little bit darker on that side to give that, like, to give my eyes looks more pronounced, more awake, most especially if you're struggling to put to get your hooded eyes wider and look a little bit more awake than normal. So, and then I am gonna put a little bit more on that side. The reason for that is when you put darker color on that side, it actually enhance, it actually left your eye, give you that really nice nice finish as well. And so again, when you put, just try and blend them in together, and then you will be surprised how just get that blend in gently, and then you'll be, so as you can see my around my eye, so it is actually very, very nice. So when you put your eyeshadow, I tend to put eyeshadow like shimmer or glitter, a little bit of glitter in the middle, just to get that really, really nice awake. And this one you can, so you can actually do this one like as your daily makeup. It's just very, very easy. I mean, you can have an eyeshadow just about 2 minutes, then your eyeshadow is finished. And then what you need to do is you just blend in all together. So like I said, darker here, a little bit darker around that side, why lighter around that side, around the inner, then you blend them in together, just to give you that really, really nice finish. And then you put the shimmer just right in the middle. So yes, as you can see, around my eye area is actually very good. So, and then the trick of having to have a perfect lash as well, because I don't use fake lash. I tend to just use eyelash curler to go along with it. So I'm just gonna showing you just a quick eye makeup, and then you do this every day. So it's just a quick makeup for beginners, really. If you are like wanting to explore your makeup and doesn't know where to start, then watch this video and you will learn quite easily. It's not that hard, to be honest. It is quite simple. I know we all sometimes can be very, very tricky if you're not used to applying it yourself. So I'm just gonna do that. This is a mascara. I use NARS mascara Extreme, and also I also use Shiseido mascara Kiosk. It's volumizing. It's not is non-irritant, so it doesn't clog or clump. The more you put them, the more volume you have as well. So next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend right my bottom lash. Yeah, again I'm still using the brown one. I like brown on my eye because I think it's really good. The color brown is suits everyone. It suits for everybody, and again it would just give you that really nice natural natural look, natural finish. So again, like I said, don't be afraid if you mess it up. Try again if you have to. Yeah, most especially if you are just starting off. So trial and error would be best to go. So don't get so desperate about getting your makeup done. So after that, I'm just gonna put a Dolce & Gabbana eyeliner. And then if you are really brave to put it right the top lash line, you can do so. It would just give you that really nice wider eye. So I am gonna put second time for this eyelash curler. This is actually Shiseido. Shiseido eyelash curler is one of the best eyelash curler you can have. It's just hug your lashes and hug your eyelid as well without pulling it, without the hair pulling out. So they're actually very nice. So now I'm gonna put more just to give that a bit of volume to it. So I'm just gonna do just one eye, but keep an eye on my post, the finish of it, so you will be able to see as well. So I just to show you guys how easily eye makeup for hooded eye or for beginners can be. So try and watch it through the end, and don't forget to if you haven't followed me, follow me, and I will be doing more makeup videos or skincare that I've been using as well in future. So bye for now, and as you can see, my eyes is looking wider than normal. So yeah, I am quite happy with that. So happy Thursday, and I hope you all follow me, and let's get this journey together.